Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I made this image by GPT Image 1.5. Nice facial expression. Smiling, soft, beautiful, okay? This is AI generative original image by GPT Image 1.5. Then I edit this image. Then I got the image is this. Soften this grainy image. Then sharpen. Then add backlit. Rim light. That's nice, yeah? Okay. This is Nano Banana 2 edit and enhanced with clear and expand to this size with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, this is the base image. Then I made line drawing type image from this. Find edges on Adobe Photoshop. Change blend mode to luminosity. Then opacity 50%. Add over this base image. Got this halftone image. Then I duplicate base image, change blend mode to color, max opacity, add over this halftone image. Then I got nice amber color. Then same base image, duplicate again, change blend mode to overlay, max opacity, add over this image. Then I got this. From this to this. Nice, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna fix this image as a one layer better image. Now, choose 4 layers, make group, then duplicate this group. Then flatten this group image. Okay, turn off this better layer. Then in this group, duplicate this line drawing type layer. Okay, now we got a light image as a base image. Okay, over this base image, I'm gonna combine model's face from this better layer. Turn on, add mask over this. Then invert this mask. Okay, pick the brush, airbrushing to soft brush. Then opacity max. About this size. Open this mask. Alright, let's see. Okay. Now only for face. Then I'm going to duplicate this better layer. Then bottom layer, delete this mask. Then change blend mode to... Okay, I like the color, saturated colors on this outfit. That's nice. Keep it color burn. Now I'm gonna add white layer over this. Add layer, fill this layer with white, then change this layer to clipping mask. Okay, now I'm gonna add contrast to paint on this white clipping layer. Especially this outfit, yeah? Alright, now brush is same soft brush. Okay, change the color to black, opacity about half. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to add gradation layer over this. Okay, now gradation is for background. opacity, max opacity. Okay. Then add mask over this gradation layer. Then invert this mask. Okay, open this mask with change the brush texture, drawing to evolve. Okay, open this gradation mask, yeah? Now, let's see. Touch big size to add texture. Okay, now I'm going to add white layer under this gradation layer. Use this white clipping layer, duplicate, then change this back to normal mask. Normal layer, no clipping. Okay, then just fill this layer with white. Then add mask. Now mask this with same evolve texture. Change color to black. Okay, go from very thin opacity. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna fix this texture with smudge tool. Change tool to smudge tool. Same texture. Evolve. Okay. Soften edge. Okay, now I wanna add this dark colors, so mask this white clipping layer with texture. Now I want to add colors on this mask. Yeah, this texture is so interesting. That's great. Okay, now I'm gonna add this gradation colors with mask, yeah? With this texture. Okay, now I'm gonna open model's image with smudge tool, evolve texture. Okay, now go for model's face. Warm up. Add color layer, very top. Change blend mode to color. Okay, tone down yellowish color. Okay, then add warm up. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now give it highest light, yeah? Duplicate line drawing type image. Move this one all the way top. Change blend mode to divide. Nice sketch light. Okay, add mask. Invert this mask. Yeah, nice. Alright. I think this is it. Okay, from this base image, add line drawing type image, luminosity blend mode, add color blend mode, overlay blend mode. Over this base image, highly saturated colors on outfit. From this color burn blend mode. Then I add white clipping layer, painted so much. Then add white layer with mask. Well, before that, add gradation layer with mask. No, then model's face with mask. Then add white layer with mask. Yeah. Then warm up model skin tone, face, yellowish color tone down. Then divide blend mode to shiny on her highest light. That's nice. Yep. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope you're gonna find some idea for your creative work. You guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day. And thank you.